Hello dear viewers, welcome to English News Broadcast for this hour. Still wishing you a happy Independence Day anniversary is me Barsa Batagla. Coming up are the major headlines for today. Messages of congratulations continue. Diaspora nationals celebrate Independence Day anniversary. China holds military drills around Taiwan. And at least 9 dead after stage collapsed in Mexico. On your domestic reports, heads of state and government from Ethiopia and Jordan have extended their congratulations to the people and government of Eritrea on the occasion of the 33rd Independence Day anniversary. President Sahle-Work Zewde of the Federal Republic of Ethiopia and King Abdullah of Jordan expressed their well wishes for good health to President Isaias Afwerki, as well as peace and prosperity for the Eritrean people. They also conveyed their country's readiness to enhance strong ties and mutual cooperation with Eritrea. In her message, President Sahle-Work Zewde expressed her confidence that the friendly relations between the two countries will continue to be further strengthened. Mr. Taye Atske-Selassie, Minister of Foreign Affairs of Ethiopia, also sent a message of congratulations to Mr. Usman Saleh, Minister of Foreign Affairs. On your last local news, nationals in Qatar, the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and Ethiopia enthusiastically celebrated the 33rd Independence Day anniversary under the theme Peace Anchored on Resilience. In Doha, the celebratory event was attended by numerous nationals, members of the diplomatic community, and invited guests. Eritrea's ambassador to Qatar, Mr. Ali Ibrahim, spoke at the occasion, emphasizing that the independence realized through heavy sacrifice is the most significant of all national holidays. The colorful celebratory events by nationals inside the country and abroad attest to this. Ambassador Ali also commended those who contributed to the event's success. Mr. Tahir Al-Rashid, chairman of the Holidays Coordinating Committee, highlighted the deep meaning of independence in the hearts of the Eritrean people and expressed readiness to strengthen participation in national affairs. The event featured cultural and artistic programs. In Saudi Arabia, nationals in Riyadh, Jeddah, Dammam, Khamis Mushati and Al-Nama celebrated the 33rd Independence Day with various cultural and artistic performances, exhibitions and cultural dress shows. The event at Nafa Hall in Riyadh on 23 May was broadcast live on social media outlets. Mr. Abdurrahman Imam, chairman of the Eritrean community in Riyadh and its environs, underscored the deep significance of Independence Day and noted that the celebratory event is part of programs to transfer the shining history of the Eritrean people to future generations. Ms. Waini Geras-Geher, charge d'affaires at the Eritrean embassy, spoke about the values gained through perseverance and patience, emphasizing their significant input in the economic and nation-building process. She called for reinforced participation to capitalize on the hopeful stage the nation is in. In Dammam, the celebratory event was attended by Ms. Waini Geras-Geher and other officials of the Eritrean embassy in Saudi Arabia. Participants expressed their readiness to strengthen participation in national development programs. Nationals in Jeddah and its environs also celebrated the 33rd Independence Day on 23 May at the Red Sea Hall. The occasion, which saw participation from Eritrea's Consul General and Head of Public and Community Affairs, was highlighted by cultural and artistic programs presented by students of the International School and Rai cultural troupe. Similarly, nationals residing in Khamis Mushati and Al-Namas colorfully celebrated the Independence Day anniversary. Nationals residing in Addis Ababa, Ethiopia, celebrated the 33rd Independence Day with patriotic zeal under the theme Peace Anchored on Resilience at the Skylight Hotel. The event was attended by numerous nationals, ambassadors, heads of diplomatic and consular missions, officials and staff of the African Union and Economic Commission for Africa, and members of the diplomatic community. Speaking at the occasion, Mr. Binyam Berhe, charge d'affaires at the Eritrean embassy and permanent representative of Eritrea to the African Union and Economic Commission for Africa, stated that Africa's overall development policy remains guided by the principles of self-reliance, avoiding structural dependency, ensuring domestic ownership of development agendas, promoting popular participation, and providing equitable opportunities for all. Regarding external relations, Mr. Binyam affirmed Eritrea's commitment to peaceful relations, respect for the sovereignty and territorial integrity of all nations, mutually beneficial partnerships, and constructive engagement based on mutual respect. He emphasized Eritrea's firm commitment to promoting peace and cooperation with neighboring countries across the region and within the wider global community. Concluding his remarks, Mr. Binyam commended all individuals and institutions that cooperated in organizing the event, notably the Ethiopian Foreign Ministry, the Skylight Hotel, and all service-providing individuals and institutions. He also congratulated the organizing committee in the Eritrean Embassy for making the event a reality. We'll be back with your international reports and more, dear viewers. Please stay tuned. Welcome back. China has started 2 days of military exercises around Taiwan. The drills come 3 days after the inauguration of President William Lei, who called on China to stop threatening the island and accept the existence of its democracy. China sees Taiwan as a breakaway province that will eventually be under Beijing's control, but the island sees itself as distinct. China's foreign ministry insisted the drills were a necessary and legitimate move to safeguard national sovereignty. According to further reports, the exercises took place all around the main island and for the first time also included the Taipei-controlled islands of Kinmen, Matsu, Wuku, and Donyi, which lie close to the Chinese coast. On today's final report, a stage in northern Mexico has collapsed as strong winds gusted through a campaign rally for presidential candidate Jorge Alvarez, leaving at least 9 people dead and about 50 others injured. This is according to authorities. The collapse occurred on Wednesday during a campaign rally for the Citizens Movement Party in the city of San Pedro Garza Garcia in Nuevo León state. Video on social media showed the structure falling forward into the crowd, sending screaming attendees scattering. Returning to the scene of the accident after being cleared at a local hospital, Alvarez, the Citizens Movement Party presidential candidate, said he hoped authorities would investigate what had happened, requesting transparency in the process. Miguel Trevino, the mayor of San Pedro Garza Garcia, wrote on social media, quote-unquote, "There are people reported trapped and injured. My prayers are with the victims." That was all with your domestic and international reports, dear viewers. And now a quick recap of the major headlines. Messages of congratulations continue. Diaspora National celebrates Independence Day anniversary. China holds military drills around Taiwan. And at least 9 dead after stage collapsed in Mexico. Dear viewers, thanks for watching, and again, happy Independence Day.